Hello, my name is Cody Rogers, and today I'm going to be showing you how you should go about making separate track widths. So like you want your ground or your and 5 volts to have the different track width than like just your regular one here. For a small board like this, it doesn't really matter, but when you get into larger boards, you may want to have different nets that have different track sizes. So the first thing that I do when I go there is I would go to the PCB manufacturer I'm planning to use. So let's say I'm wanting to use PCBWay, and I go to this PCBWay /capabilities. I'll put that link in the notes at the for the video, and I'll also maybe put in Oshparks. But there's only 2 that did not fit the defaults. So let's go to board setup right there, and then this one here, minimum clearance, I will put up to 0.15, and also minimum annular width I'll put to 0.15. Now the thing with these is that it wouldn't really matter if they were set that low, because in the net classes, which I'll go to next, it actually says to make them larger. This just sets the minimum so that you can't make a net class, or you can't change something on the board to be smaller than that. It will throw an error. So it's more for error checking than anything. So let's go to net classes, and you see I have the default one. And you see the clearance is 0.2 millimeters, track width 0.25 millimeters, VSI. So all of those were set before. Now, in my previous video, I had showed you how you could check or you could change the size of a track within the software, like just a single track. Now, a better way to do that, I said, I would cover later, which I'm going to cover now, and that is to make a different net class. So let's make one, and it was just this add button there, and then I go press, like type in power, and say I want to make the clearance for it 0.3, just everything a bit larger since it's going to be carrying the power. In this board, it's all in the same circuit, so it's not like it really matters, but in other cases it may. I'll set up this hole, maybe a bit more as well. And all that should be good. And now, once you make your new net class by pressing that button and then just changing all those there, you can go over here. Can click there, click this down button, press power, and do that again, power, and then you can click OK. Now, as you can see, previously I had deleted these tracks, so let's put them back in, which is I have the front copper layer, and then I go route tracks. So I go there, I go there, then I go this one. And as you can see, the ground one and the 5 volt one are larger than this one. And again, in this case, it doesn't really matter because all of the current will be going through this one circuit. But in other cases, in a more complicated circuit, you may have this branching off, and this would actually be supplying more current than would be going through here, so you might want to have them bigger. But anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune into some of my future videos.